Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tanya Takeover, where I'm your girl Tanya, and today we're just gonna do another little vlog. You know, I love bringing you guys into my life and having you guys follow me around. Oh my gosh, today I got the best, so much good news and so many blessings. I mean, I just gotta stop and just like, you know, sometimes you gotta stop and just reflect. Sometimes life is moving so fast, you don't get to say thank you and just like fall to your knees and pray and just thank the man who makes everything happen. So anyways, right now I am feeling so blessed and happy and thankful, but it looks like a few of my investments and things that I've been working on are finally paying off, and just like really like things are just happening back to back. So today, what do I have planned? I just finished doing my hair. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my makeup looks hella pasty right now. I think I got a little bit of a tan when I went to the beach. So now my makeup really isn't matching. So I think I might be doing a Sephora run, maybe sometime this week. I'm actually gonna go to the city. I haven't been to the city since this whole quarantine thing happened, not to eat, not for anything. I mean, I've been to Long Island, I've been to New York, but I haven't been to the city. And the girls are picking up one of their friends. So I am going with them. Might as well grab something to eat. I'm thinking Pio Pio, or I haven't had Sylvia's in a while from Harlem. So I don't know, we'll just figure something out once we get there, but I am so excited to go. Let me just show you my outfit of the day. I don't know if I'm really feeling it. It's just like a little onesie and like these shoes I got from Nordstrom Rack, which I thought were super cute. But the onesie, the straps were really long, and I got this actually in a large because, you know, the girls and everything like that. So that's what I'm rocking right now. And I am waiting for my Uber to come so I can get the girls, pack them up, meet up with my friend, and then we can head to the city together. Hey guys, so I'm back home, and oh my gosh, look at this from Sylvia's. We have potato salad, collard greens, shrimp, whiting, macaroni and cheese, and sweet potatoes. And we got the Frank's Red Hot sauce for my collard greens. Yes, I'm a fatty. I know it. I love it. It's so good. I'm about to get into this plate, y'all, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I am stuffed. I ate so much. Now this kitchen is a mess. I'm probably cleaning this. I had a little bit of a cookout with, like, you know, just family and stuff in the house, and the floors are sticky. I have to clean, wipe everything down, and figure out this kitchen, because the kitchen is the life of the house and it can't be looking a mess. But I just got packages in, and I want to show you guys what I got. So guys, remember when I was telling you about Nordstrom and their notes and everything like that, that I do have Nordstrom notes, and I use that to buy, you know, like my little splurges, my little things that I feel like I deserve and that, you know, I want to do a little bit of shopping. So let's see if my stuff came in. Let me show you what I got, guys. I know I'm always showing you guys what I got. Now that when it comes to the time when I'm actually gonna wear it, you're gonna be like, I saw that already. I saw those already, but it's okay. I'm still gonna rock them. All right, guys. So let me just show you what I ordered from Nordstrom, and I think both of these were from Nordstrom. So I actually saw these when I went to Nordstrom the other day, and I just fell in love with them. Look at these. Are these not the cutest? I love that it's like a reflection, and these are cute, like little everyday slides. How cute are these? I really needed these in my life. I am a size 8. Because Nordstrom does a price match, I actually got these like $90 off. So I'm so happy with these, so cute. Now, this next splurge is this bag I've been eyeing. You need a black bag in your life. And my bag that I've been using now is actually navy blue. So I needed something black that could go with everything. Oh, so cute. Look how cute. I am loving this. I just needed something, a black bag that can hold everything, and it comes with a cute little purse, you know, kind of understated but still cute. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. I love the pop of red inside. It's cute, it's edgy because of the hardware here. I love that you can see the red on the inside, and I think it goes with everything. But oh my gosh, how cute is this? I'm gonna be using this all the time. I know I went a little bit crazy, but you know, I work hard, we work hard, so yes, he's gonna get a bag. So I love this bag. And that is what I've got. So let me put this stuff away and So cleaning up that kitchen. That kitchen is a mess. It's driving me crazy. The kids have been coming over. They're dropping ices on the floor. I'm sticking to the counter. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys and tell you guys that my house is always immaculate and always spotless. No, my house is a home. So it gets very messy at times, and we just clean it up, dust it off, and it's still good. So that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Clean up this kitchen. So let me put all this stuff away, throw this stuff out, and get going. All right, so we're going on a little afternoon stroll because I ate like a fatty. Guys, forgive me if you see that I am like nervous. I'm still getting used to being on camera and talking to you guys and kind of talking to myself and people staring at me. It's a learning process and I'm learning, so bear with me. I'll get better. I am so excited. I know I got to show you guys, you know, the planning of the clothing line. If you didn't check out my blog yet, go check it out. Me and Sophia did it together. It's called Just Between Us Courses. Go check that out. But now we're going into the next phase of world domination. So you guys will see that soon, the next phase of our business takeover. But you know, I can't walk and chew gum at the same time. So let me get into this walk and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Look at my recent bike ride. We taught her how to ride a bike last week. We'll be right back. All right guys, so we are back and now I'm about to clean this kitchen so nobody can talk about me and tell me how messy my kitchen is. So I am about to clean up this kitchen, get everything situated, then I figure we're gonna have like maybe a fruit salad for snack or something. And then they want to watch a movie, so let's get into this. All right guys, so I am doing everything but what I'm supposed to do, which is clean the kitchen, but it never stops at just cleaning the kitchen. So much to do. Okay, so last night I didn't go to sleep. I like laid in the bed. I was supposed to clean and do all this stuff with you guys, but I started posting and I had a video to post and like pictures and stuff to post, so I just got busy, so I figured I'd take you guys out with me today because I'm gonna do some shopping. I know I'm always shopping, but guys, you know, this house, I'm telling you, while we were closed for quarantine, I wasn't able to get normal stuff. So now it's like, okay, I gotta finish this room, I gotta do this room, I gotta get pictures for the walls, my walls are blank. Like, there's just so much to do. So I'm going out every day, just looking for little things, little steals and crap like that. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna shop, we're gonna get something to eat, and call it a day. So let me turn off all these lights because you know PSG is my favorite friends and they love me. Because my bill is so damn high. Grab this, I'm gonna grab a bag. Okay, let me show you my outfit of the day. It's just a long dress and some shoes that I wore yesterday, and that's it. Guys, I'm gonna get a mirror. That should be on my agenda today, to get a mirror for you, so I don't have to do my clothing hauls upside down. I hope you guys watched my cleaning closet video because that lasted like a week. Okay, so I got my bag and time to go. Okay guys, so we're on our way. I'm gonna go look for some sandals maybe. I want to go to Sephora. I want to look for some stuff for the house. Just do the regular shopping. So yeah, because my makeup collection is not looking good. It's full of stuff, but it's not full of anything good. Those sandals, actually I showed you guys yesterday, they're too small. They sent them in the wrong size, so we're gonna go change them and go shopping. So let's get this going, shall we? Okay guys, I'm here. About to go into Nordstrom. Alright guys, so I went in Sephora. I got a few little things, but you really can't swatch in the store. You can't pick up anything, you can't touch anything, so it's hard to see a color or whatever I would like. So I'm gonna go over everything that I got with you guys when I get home because it's hard to show it. Let's get out of here. Okay guys, so I am back home now. I'm so exhausted. I don't know if you were able to hear me when I was in the mall because of my mask, but I went to Sephora and I grabbed a few things. So now, being as with the whole, you know, Corona thing, you're not able to swatch the makeup. You're not even able to like test run the makeup and see if it matches your skin tone. What they do is they put it on like a plastic dish thing and kind of just put it up to your face. So it's like a a no contact makeup. So I was a little taken back, but of course I understand, you know, safety first amongst everything. So I did grab a few things from Sephora, so I would love to show you and just do a little quick haul with you guys before I call it a night and then we recap tomorrow. But yeah, so let's get into it. So I ordered this translucent powder from Milk Makeup. So I guess Milk is like a new line. I've never really heard of them before, but when I asked the lady in Sephora, the worker there, she said this was really good. So it's a Milk Makeup translucent powder in deep, and it says it powder fill blurring microspheres, blur pores, and cut shine instantly for soft. So basically, when I'm using my Laura Mercier or my Benign powder, it tends to crease underneath my eye, and this is a problem I've had for a while now, and I feel like your age is really reflected in your eyes. When people look at your eyes, that's what they see, you know, if you're happy, if you have crow's feet or anything like that. So my makeup tends to crease right there, and I'm working on it. So she said this has a really good blurring effect and covers imperfections. So it comes in this cute, it says Blur Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. And it's from Milk Cosmetics. I've heard great things about this line. It has like a little mesh covering. You know how Benign powder and Laura Mercier is just an open palette, but this one has like a little mesh part here, so I guess you don't waste it, because I do tend to do that. Like it'll be full and then somebody will come and it'll fall and drop, and then there goes my $60 powder. So this retails for $40. So this was a purchase. Another thing I got was the Hydro Prime Grip. I was asking the lady who worked there about a good primer, and she recommended this one. And I think Jackie Ina did a tutorial on using this also. She said how it made her face like sticky, and I do have a problem with my makeup moving. It says a shot of blue agave holds makeup all day for a super fresh look. And of course, with the humidity and it being so hot outside, anything that's gonna keep my makeup from you know, moving and going all over the place, I'm all for. It says a hit of hydro. So she said it didn't make your face too matte. It still keeps it moisturized, but keeps it in place. So I'm gonna try this, definitely. Also, I was looking for a foundation, and I saw the Pat McGrath, and I saw Fenty. Now I have Fenty, and even the lady who works there said that when she puts the Fenty on, it kind of dries down a little bit darker than your skin tone, which this color is. The color that I do have, it is darker than my skin tone, which worked great when I first got it. I think I'm just gonna keep that one. I think it's $4.40 in Fenty, and it works fine, but I did have to change my concealer. So the concealer, I actually used the Fenty also, and I went up. Now today I was wearing the Morphe concealer in 4.45, C.445, and it's making me look a little pasty, being as I think maybe because I got a little bit of a tan, you know, like a, what do they call it, a farmer's tan, from being out in the sun so much. So I found that that color wasn't really matching my skin tone. So I'm trying the 410 in the Fenty, and hopefully it matches my skin tone. So far, it looks pretty good on camera. And I do like a little bit of a highlight effect underneath my eyes. So I'm going to try this one and see how I like it. I don't like a big highlight, but you know, I like a little something just to, you know, brighten me up underneath the eyes. And I got some. Now, this perfume right here, I smelled it and it smells so good. So this is the Victor Roth Magic Liquid Diamonds. Yeah. It smells very good, very fresh, like a light smell. That's something that might stay on all day. So the next one is YSL and Libre. And when I smell this one, it smells pretty good. Also, cute bottle. Very nice. I'll put it right here. It smells good. It smells like kind of baby powderish, but still light and sweet, but not too sweet. I actually like this one. So I'll be wearing these. And I'm gonna give you a free bag called Resilient, Hopeful, and Thankful. So all in all, I had a great day shopping in Sephora. So guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.